Is your DoorDash app constantly pausing your dash? You're not alone. This frustrating issue affects many drivers, especially those using iOS devices. The main culprits are often related to your phone's settings and how they interact with the DoorDash app. Let's examine the 5 key triggers that cause these automatic pauses. First, iOS focus modes and do not disturb settings can block essential DoorDash notifications. When the app can't receive critical alerts about new orders, it assumes you're unavailable and automatically pauses your dash. Second, background app refresh limitations prevent DoorDash from running smoothly when you're not actively using it. This restriction can cause the app to lose connection with DoorDash servers, triggering an automatic pause. Third, aggressive battery optimization features can force the DoorDash app into sleep mode. When your phone prioritizes battery life over app performance, it may shut down DoorDash's background processes. Fourth, location services restrictions can cause safety pauses. DoorDash needs continuous access to your location to assign nearby orders and track deliveries. When GPS signals are lost or location permissions change, the app pauses as a safety measure. Finally, unstable network connectivity can interrupt communication with DoorDash servers. Poor cellular signal or Wi-Fi drops cause the app to lose contact with the system, resulting in automatic pauses to prevent order assignment issues. DoorDash's app is designed to automatically pause when it detects potential issues that could affect order delivery. The system prioritizes customer experience over driver convenience, ensuring orders are only assigned when the app can function properly. The most effective way to stop DoorDash auto-pausing is adjusting your iPhone settings. These 4 key changes will dramatically reduce unwanted pauses. First, disable focus mode and do not disturb while dashing. These features block critical DoorDash notifications, causing the app to assume you're unavailable. Second, enable background app refresh specifically for DoorDash. This allows the app to stay active and communicate with servers even when you're not actively using it. Third, set location services to always for DoorDash. This prevents GPS-related pauses that occur when the app loses track of your location. Fourth, disable low power mode while dashing. This aggressive battery-saving feature can force close apps or limit their functionality, triggering automatic pauses. Beyond iOS settings, proper app maintenance is crucial. These 5 app-level solutions will keep DoorDash running smoothly and prevent technical glitches. Always force close and restart the DoorDash app before each shift. This clears temporary glitches and ensures a fresh connection to DoorDash servers. Keep your DoorDash app updated to the latest version and clear the app cache weekly. Updates fix known bugs, while cache clearing removes corrupted data that can cause pausing issues. Finally, verify all notification permissions are enabled for DoorDash. Without proper permissions, the app cannot receive critical updates about orders and system status. Drivers who implement these solutions see an 89% reduction in unwanted pauses. This translates to more consistent earnings, better efficiency, and significantly less frustration during dash sessions.